traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar, I definitely am still looking at this as a wave A. I think this is an ABC of B. I think this thing most likely is just going to keep on going up to make a probably a 5 wave uptrend for an expanding flat wave C, which I still think will most likely take out these previous highs. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this 5 waves up is a wave 1. I think this is a big running flat ABC correction. And then for the wave 2, that is, then we got 5 waves up right here, which I think is a 1 of 3. I think this right here is a WXY, which is a 2 of wave 3. And I think we are in that wave 3 right now, and I think it will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, especially on this weekly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So we do have inflation data coming out today for the US, but we also had inflation data come out this morning for the pound. Actually caused the pound to go down pretty good this morning, which hopefully is good news for us because hopefully that's just going to be a pullback entry for us to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. If this really is a wave 3 like it looks like it is on the higher time phase, this thing is just going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely did go down pretty strong for the CPI, pound CPI news that we had this morning, but with the dollar CPI coming out, I think there's a good chance that maybe this is actually just going to keep on trending up. The fact that it went down is actually great news for us because I am definitely looking for longs ever since we had a break of structure back here. So I'm definitely looking for longs right now, and I'm definitely only going to be going long on pullbacks. So taking it down right to the 1 hour time frame, we have that CPI inflation data coming out today for the US. I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, especially the fact that it made a lower high right there really makes me think this move down is actually a correction to this move up. I think there's a very good chance that today's US CPI news is probably going to cause this to keep on trending up. The fact that it's going down right now is great news because I look for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. If the trend is up on my higher roadmap time frames, then I'm only looking for longs and I'm only going to go long on pullbacks. If the trend was down on my higher roadmap time frames, then I would only be looking for shorts and I would only go short on pullbacks. Right now, the trend is definitely long ever since it broke structure on the 4 hour time frame to the upside. So I'm definitely looking for longs in an uptrend, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.